We have our own struggles, we have our own adversities we are going through in our minds. We're all not perfect, but I feel like that only makes more pressure on the child.
I'm balancing school, having friends, and then also doing multiple sports at once.
Everyone says you're a student athlete, but sometimes it doesn't really feel that way. Sometimes I feel like I'm an athlete student.
When I first started running track, I was like, if I don't go D1, then there's nothing that can happen. Like I failed at life. I'm done.
We're hearing a lot of things reflected in these young people that we're seeing more broadly as well, of sense of pressure that they put on themselves to do well in all of the things in their lives, maybe pressure that they feel from families or from peers or from their community.
And I think it's our responsibility as adults and organizations who support these student athletes to be able to help them recognize those pressures and also give them the tools that they need in order to empower them to be able to recognize when they themselves need help or when a friend might be in need as well. The partnership with Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina brought us to the UNC Behavioral Health Springboard to allow our student athletes a tool to take home with them immediately.
Teen Mental Health First Aid is an amazing curriculum because it is giving teens and the adults in their lives language and an understanding that helps them better support the people in their lives.
Thanks to opportunities like this where we can acknowledge the fact that there are struggles, but also acknowledge the fact that there are safe spaces where we can all confide in each other.
Teen Mental Health First Aid is not training them to all of a sudden be therapists or counselors. Instead, what it's doing is it's training them to say, that is really hard, I'm so sorry that you're going through that. How can I be there for you? To say, I love you and I care about you and we're gonna go talk to an adult about this.
I do think that it's becoming something that's less stigmatized. I mean, it's not an issue. It's kind of like more of a part of life. I need a little bit of help and support, and that's okay.
We are really well positioned as the High School Athletic Association in partnership with Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina and the Behavioral Health Springboard to give these student athletes the tools that they need to go back to their member schools with a sense of excitement and empowerment to say, we want to do this in our schools and we want to provide this service for our community.
So our partnership with Blue Cross North Carolina has been instrumental in helping us meet young people where they are.